Okay, what I like to do is I like to have two lines, one the full length of the tile. This is a terrible pencil. And then I'll take and I'll get another line perpendicular to that where I want the other cut, and I don't need that line to go the full length. I just need to know where to get to. So I've got that other line. I start right at my mark, go through, and I like to lift it a little bit so that I can get a 90-degree cut through the tile. If I've got it laid on the tray, I can't do that. So I lift up, and there I am at the line. I flip it. Now I can cut straight down to that edge because I made the 90 degree. So make that cut just like a straight cut. Then as I get closer to the next cut, I'm going to lift that tile up. There, and there we go. Alright, now it looks like I've got a little bit of a chunk left over. Sometimes that's okay. But what we want to do is we'll take the grinder fitted with the ceramic tile dry blade, and we're just going to notch that off just a little bit. It works just like the wet blade, but we don't need water.